Pacifica. 25. Because you can tell by the lights. It's a new body style. And we're gonna do wipers. And no tools other than your fingernails. That's always good. You slide like most wipers. Look at that. Done deal. Is that your part number? We ain't buying a factory. Let's go measure these puppies so we can see what these are. And that is one big wiper. That's a 26. And let's do passenger side, which is a 20. So, same thing on the passenger side. Pull up, push in, and pull out. Sounds kind of erotic, but that's how you get it out. Do not let this puppy slam on the glass because you will buy yourself a new windshield. So, part number, we don't care about that. We're buying aftermarket. There you go. Let's do the back. Ooh, that is 14. Watch this. Can't do this. See that? It's stuck. You have to take this guy off. And this guy off. See that? And then it moves upward. And then you turn. Look at that. So easy. So this notch, there's a straight notch in this thing. Oh, and don't let go of this either because this will smash your glass. So, go on this side. Try to. You want to align these guys up. See? Snaps into place. And like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.